Alright, and we're back. So this is the old one. That's what it looked like. So it's, same thing. I just stuck the new one on. So now I just gotta tighten it down here. And, yep. I'll be good to go. You just want to tighten it down until, it's as tight as your hand's gonna go. You don't really want to tighten it down too much. But you want to get a good amount of, thread and stuff in there. Keep it in there pretty good so it's not leaking or anything. So, yep. And out. Okay, come on. Alright, and there we are. Another gauge. Done. And, let's go check it out and see if it works. First, let's move this out of the way, just so I'm not burning anything. Alright. Fun time. Alright, so I'll fire up the truck here, get my keys, and if I can find the right key here. Ignore the noise. Alright, we got climbage. Check that out. It's moving up. Sweet. Alrighty. Bam, done. Now on to the last gauge.